Welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look how to add mobile ad to our app as we publish it on Amazon Play Store. So just follow along with me. I can see this is an app I've already submitted on Amazon Developer Play Store. So when you want to add any mobile ad, you just go to mobile ad, you click, and it will take you to another screen. They'll say, is your app directed primarily at kids under 13? You either say yes or no, but for me this one is no. I should know that there is consequence if you choose the wrong one. Failure to provide accurate information about whether your app is child dictated may result in termination of your developer account and non-payment of fees for ad we have shown on your app. So you have to read this statement very carefully. This is the statement. You have to take your time. You read all this one very carefully before you go ahead with everything, because it may result to termination of your Amazon developer account. So please make sure you take a look and you look at everything. Okay, so let's move along. So what you're gonna do, I'll just click here no. I cannot say yes because my app is not directed towards children under 13. So let me just click. I'll just click yes, no, sorry, no, and then from there I just click submit. When you submit it, this is how it's gonna look like. You see, these are all my apps that I've already created. Mobile ad, you see, these are the key platform, Android, all Android. So these are all of them. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if there's any comment, please post it down below. Until then, see you.